What's up everybody, it's Eric from WRX back with another video, and behind me we have the 2022 WRX and we are at the track today and we are testing the quarter mile on this car. Now this car is completely stock, has nothing done to it. It is the most base model from Subaru, except we've put a little something special in it. It's got the FA-1 prototype shifter in it, which is a complete replacement to the OEM shifter for all 2015 plus WRX vehicles. Check it out. So we did 3 passes on the car today, and the first pass I actually still had the traction control on, so I didn't get a very good launch, and I ran a 14.3 and then I got it down to a 14.2, and then on my third pass I got it down to 13.7 at 101 miles an hour. And next weekend I'm going to be doing a few things to the car, and I'm going to try and beat that, and I'm hoping that the shifter will help me break past 13.7. Now when I was using the FA-1 prototype here, it has a very tight notchy pattern to it. It's just over, up into first, seconds it's right behind it, and when you want to go into third, all I was doing when I was on the track was I was just shifting up as hard as I could. I was just pushing up, and the centering mechanism on the shifter is just so crisp, and check it out here. It's just flicking it right to the center, and so when I'm in second and I wanted to go up to third, I just pushed it up, and the shifter wants to go into third. It doesn't want to go back into first. It just wants to naturally go into third, and so that was really helping me with my time, I think. Being able to just quickly shift from gear to gear, and then fourth is right behind third, boom, and just like that, the shifter was killing it out there. So after driving this car, I 100% recommend it. I've actually had it for a few weeks now. I've put a little over 1,000 miles on it, and on the track, it was totally awesome. There's a flat torque curve on the factory base map on this car, if you didn't know that. And looking at the boost gauge, it looks like the boost is very, very controlled by the computer. Even at wide open throttle at 3, 4, 5,000 RPMs, it's actually not making peak boost. It doesn't make peak boost from what I see until about red line, which is around, I think, 12 PSI from the factory. But today it looked like it was getting up to a little over 13. And yeah, this thing, it just accelerates. All the power is there. Once it comes on, it just flat torque curve, horsepower climbs and climbs, and this thing just does awesome in every single gear, and I totally recommend this car. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested, we'll be taking this car to the track again next weekend in Woodburn and trying to break the 13.2 that I have currently. And please like or subscribe and follow along if you're interested in getting one of these FA-1 shifters for your own WRX when they're available. We have a Discord channel going where I post tons of updates, so I'll drop the link down below if you're interested in joining that. Thank you so much.